No matter how large the company is, the budget allotted for email marketing is usually the largest, and yet there are several reasons why. Not only email marketing strategies are very important not only for small companies but large enterprises as well. Why is this so? Because email marketing has a direct and tangible impact on the bottom line of every company regardless of size. The amount of sales a company earns is directly related to the amount of sales that are made by a company through its email marketing strategies. Bottom line. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about email marketing strategies, the how-to of email marketing strategies. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. In addition to this, it is undeniable that email marketing has been proven to be the cheapest form of marketing. With regard to this advantage, not only is it cheap, it is also cheap in terms of effort. You do not need any staff to implement your marketing strategy. Furthermore, email marketing allows you to measure the effectual results of your marketing strategy immediately, thereby in turn providing you with a quick analysis of the effectual results as well as the success rate of the email marketing campaign. Apart from this, there is another important advantage of email marketing: it builds brand awareness. In today's world, brand awareness is of utmost importance, particularly for online marketing companies. In fact, according to Social Media Focus, an organization that provides information and advice to SMM experts, brand awareness is the key to success for SMM. According to an email marketing specialist, building brand awareness in email is like shooting a basketball ball with a bow. You aim and get a perfect aim. Similarly, building brand awareness through email marketing is the same as shooting a video with a camcorder and hoping that the video would somehow capture your target customers. These are some of the advantages of email marketing. However, there are some other advantages as well. The most obvious advantage of email marketing is that you can quickly and easily reach out to a large number of prospective consumers without spending a lot of money. You can also send marketing emails to your customers on a consistent basis, thus ensuring that they will continue to use your services. Another advantage of email marketing is that it enables you to build a customer base and keep in touch with your customers, which ensures that you maintain regular customer relations, and this is a very important aspect of customer relationship management. CRM and email marketing ensures that you make and keep good relationships with your customers. Email marketing helps you in building relationships with your customer base, and these relationships translate into loyalty and brand awareness as well as sales. Email marketing helps you to develop and maintain new leads, and this is very important in increasing sales and profitability. When you develop new leads, you generate sales, which helps you to get more profit. Moreover, email marketing helps in managing customer information, and this ensures that you give only the best and most relevant information to your customers by avoiding irrelevant and useless information. Email marketing is advantageous for two reasons. Firstly, it is cheap, and secondly, it allows for easy distribution. Email marketing is easy to send due to its short length and flexibility. In fact, many marketers consider this an easy and cheaper way of advertising their products and services. Some marketers even prefer sending one email per customer, which ensures that each email is relevant to the customer and will benefit the customer. Email templates are also widely used by marketers, as these enable them to create newsletters and email campaigns that are easy to read and understand. Emails are a powerful tool for marketeers, and this is because customers perceive emails from marketers as being genuine interest on the part of the sender. Customers are therefore enticed to take action on the messages that are sent through emails. Furthermore, when your email marketing campaigns are sent over the internet, you can also track the effectiveness of these campaigns. You can thus measure the results of the emails that you have sent, hence giving you an insight into the effectiveness of your promotional efforts. Apart from providing valuable information, email marketing also helps in brand awareness. When you use email marketing as one of your promotional strategies, you are in a position to reach potential consumers at the same time. The emails that you use to reach out to the existing customers must be very simple and relevant. Moreover, they must be well written and interesting, with graphics and other such features that help in making the emails interesting and attractive. A good example of an email marketing campaign that is successful in increasing brand awareness is the "Dear Mr. Smith" campaign. This particular campaign was effective in raising awareness about the launch of the Smiths brand. Thanks for watching my video about email marketing strategies, the how-to of email marketing strategies. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.